Now, I'm always telling you about how cutesy and feminine you are, and just how pathetic and small you are, but I get the feeling that it just hasn't been drilled into your skull enough. So today, I thought I'd do a little extracurricular activity with you. So I made sure that no one was using the girls' locker room, and I gathered some supplies. Alrighty, what do you think? I'm pretty sure I chose the right size for you. Though, it might be a bit small. I didn't want to get anything that would be super baggy after all. Where'd I get these? Oh, it's just stuff that I've had in my closet for years. Things that I used to wear when I was a kid. But I think they'd fit you perfectly. Now, what to put you in first? Maybe this pink dress? I do love the frilly little lace at the bottom. Though the ribbon around the middle's a bit frayed. I wear this one all the time. Well, there's always this skirt. And it goes so well with this crop top. Don't give me that look. Come on, strip down. Not all the way, obviously, just to your undies. Oh, don't give me that look. You think I care? You think I'm going to be impressed? There you go. That's my little loser. All right. Now, be careful with the clothes. Try not to be clumsy like you are with everything else. Just put the skirt on and then pull the shirt over your head. And then... Oh, right. I have these over here for you. They're thigh-high socks. I thought... Well, I just thought it would be really precious. Unfortunately, I don't think any of my shoes would fit you, or else I would have you in heels as well. Wow, you take forever to get changed. Jesus. Come on, we don't have all day. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's even better than I thought it would be. Okay, hold on.